Here are 5 ways that you can start making money from your social media accounts, whether you have a small or a large following. My husband and I have built $1 million business, which I'll link below, and we have accounts on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. The majority of our revenue is generated through social media. First, let's talk sponsors. Sponsors can either pay you on a monthly basis, they can pay you per view, or they can pay you per post, and they can pay you with cash or in kind, which means they give you product in exchange for placement and promotion. Our biggest form of revenue is from our sponsorships. We have a whole media kit on our website, so it's really easy for sponsors to pick what package they want to go with. And obviously, the more viewers you have on your platforms and the more views you get per piece of content, the higher the price point a sponsor is going to be willing to pay to partner with you. Next is going to be direct payout from the platforms. Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok all pay content creators based on views. The biggest payout we ever got was from TikTok. In 1 month, we had a couple videos go viral and we got over $3,000 payout in just 1 month. This strategy is great for small and large accounts because you can have a small account and have a video go viral and get paid for views just on that one video. Next is going to be Amazon affiliates. Amazon affiliates is free, it's easy to use, and it works for large accounts and even small accounts that have a loyal following. All you do is you create an account, you use your unique Amazon link whenever you're talking about or promoting a product that you genuinely like. When someone clicks that link and they check out from that link, you get on average 2 to 3% of the total transaction. Even if they purchase some other items that you weren't promoting, you get 2 to 3% of the entire basket. Next is business coaching and digital assets. When you become an expert in your field and you gain influence among your followers, you will be able to sell them business coaching for whatever niche you specialize in, or digital assets in the form of packaging up information. So we sell courses, we sell PDFs, and all sorts of digital assets ranging from $25 all the way up to $5,000. In this last month, we sold over $50,000 in coaching programs. Lastly, and this may seem the most obvious, is driving customers directly to whatever products and services you're featuring or you're offering on your page. A lot of small businesses use social media to get direct sales to their website or to whatever products and services they're promoting. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And if you like this type of content, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more.